Scorecards can really help, but another thing that can really help to make the estimations consistent is to score opportunities in relation to each other. Because then every opportunity that you score actually kind of becomes a benchmark for other opportunities to score. Because you can always start asking, is this opportunity or solution, by the way, it works both for opportunities and solutions. And you can always ask yourself, does this opportunity or solution actually have higher viability or desirability than the other ones that we already scored? So then all the opportunities that you score actually become benchmarks for each other. And I can show you this. You might have already seen this, but of course in TheyDo we have something very nifty for that, which is called the opportunity matrix. So, all the opportunities that you list show up in this overview. And if you go to matrix, you see all the same opportunities, but actually mapped according to their scores that they have. So in this view, you see customer value versus business value. And you can also actually select a different view, the total value, so the added customer and business value added together versus the effort that it takes to implement a opportunity. And these two views can really help you to make this estimation and actually use the ones that you already have as a benchmark for the other ones. Because, for example, you see here improve information overview, scores really high, but you can maybe ask yourself, does it actually score higher than trial subscription or reducing the amount of deals? Or does it really have a higher customer value than supporting different languages or helping to compare options? That way you can actually make sure that they are well situated against each other. And this is something you can do in a session, you can just go over this overview and then look at the opportunities that you have and score them in relation to each other. Just by moving the slider, of course, here, you can then see that it changes. Maybe it's actually not that high customer value. Something else that's really important to mention here is that using filters and a good taxonomy in TheyDo really helps you to limit the scope to the opportunities that are relevant for you or your team. So what you can, of course, also do is that you can link all your opportunities to different groups or different types. So in this case, and it's also something we would recommend, you can, for example, define all your different teams or departments as groups and then link your opportunities to those groups so that when you, for example, have a opportunity prioritization session within marketing, you can simply just click on marketing and it will only show you the opportunities within marketing. Or when you're talking about, let's focus on the delighters. We really want to work on delighters. You can select the delighters that you have and see oh yeah, wait, there's 3 here. So that way, actually, and we call that the taxonomy. So the tag management system that you use also really helps to, filter and limit the scope to whatever is relevant for you in the moment.